Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Director General Muhammad Afzal, respected officers of Director Private Institutions, Mr. Muhammad Ikhlaq, Sattar Mehman, Mumtaz Hussain, Gulab Rai, Rafiuddin, and the most valuable principal and activist, the young and beautiful administrator of the city school, Madam Nazhat Jibi, and my beloved and dear brother who has arranged the show here, and he is known as Wahid Chandio of the Director Private Institution, Larkana region, and the most precious principals of other institutions who has participated today in this noble cause of awareness movement, and all the students and administrators, teachers, my beloved sons and daughters, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am humbly grateful to Director Wahid Chandio and Nazhat Jibi, who has participated in our movement, who has welcomed, who showed their love for Director Private Institution Head Office, and who has beautifully arranged this immaculated event today. This is though simple but sophisticated too. And I also congratulate Ada Wahid and Madam Nazhat from City School on arranging such a beautiful event, boosting the students, and not only boosting the students but boosting the teachers and civil society too. Ladies and gentlemen, Ada Zulfa Rahul Jo was a very versed, and he has given us a comprehensive presentation on the topic of depression, and I think that you all have heard him patiently, and you must learn something from it too. It was very long, and it was very comprehensive, and it was very knowledgeable. Apart from it, we have gathered here just to speak a few words with you. Maybe you are already aware with the issue that in our institutions, the teaching community, which is the mother community of all professions, and give birth to every profession and making careers to the career-oriented people of our society, that is the teaching community. Today's topic is corporal punishment and depression among the students. What is corporal punishment, and what is the rule of Director Private Institution, and what is the penalty of that corporal punishment? The certificate of registration, which we grant for 3 years, and after every 3 years the renewal of registration. Section 4H of that certificate, through which all you students are appear in the board's formatting for O and A level. That section says that corporal punishment is prohibited in privately managed institutions. And what are the penalties of that corporal punishment? That is the 10 years imprisonment and also 10 lakh rupees penalty on the teacher and termination from the service. Nowadays, the head office of Karachi is penalizing schools there on the negligence, on the corporal punishment. Do you know why the teacher sometimes become rash? The teacher who is known as a mother or a father. It is all because of our acts. In every institution, we have active children. In every institution, we have nasty and naughty students too. But the Minister of Education, says Sardar Ali Shah, has a concern to save the youth of society. Simultaneously, our Secretary Education is Mr. Ghulam Akbar Nigari. He has also concern for your safety, and both Minister of Education and Secretary Education, they have given us clear direction that we should not tolerate the corporal punishment in private institutions. And on the instructions of Minister Education and Secretary Education, we all come here long way to Larkana region. This is not a single visit. It's before Larkana, last night we had hold a meeting with the heads of privately managed institutions, and before that, during the lunch time, we have arranged a seminar at Hyderabad, and it was about also the usage of drug. Now we have many factors to combat and fight with. The first and foremost is the corporal punishment in schools. I was just coming back to the point where I left, and that was why the teachers beat our students. Sometimes the naughty ones, sometimes the nasty students, they do such things which irritate the teacher, because teacher is the king of classroom. He feels ill and he feels bad about it that in his presence anyone is doing such tricks, someone is playing with his philosophy of teaching, making fun of him, cracking the jokes upon him, teasing another student in his presence. These are the major causes which leads to irritation of a teacher, and he starts beating with the belt, with the stick, with the hands, or sometimes scolding and abuse in the class. That is against the norms of Eastern society, because in Eastern society teacher has a high role and he is the esteemed figure. Even the most politicians you see, the Prime Minister, President, Generals of Army, doctors, engineers, whenever they see their teacher, they are not only happy but they pay tribute to them. Simon Dalema was the teacher of President Musharraf, and on Teachers' Day, he used to call him and send him flowers and bouquet. And Allama Iqbal, who gave us the vision of Pakistan and who dreamed about the Pakistan. Once he was standing on the path and his teacher was crossing him. He has no shoe in his one foot. He left that shoe, and without shoe he fastly ran behind his teacher and said him salam and stand there. And he did not care about his shoes, because this is the reason that he is Allama Iqbal. Even there are many things we are not agree with President Musharraf, but he was the General of Pakistan Army, he was on high rank. It is all these blessings of the teachers. When I am blaming the teachers for corporal punishment simultaneously, you should think about yourself why you are giving them this option to beat you. You should also be considerate. You should also behave well, because you cannot clap with a single hand. For clapping you need two hands. It is a reciprocal. Teachers are equally important. We cannot only blame them. But I request my teaching community that please avoid this out of that norm of corporal punishment. The world has changed. This corporal punishment leads to suicide. This corporal punishment leads to depression. This corporal punishment closes the door for students of institution. And if we close the door of private schools or government schools, we will create an option for crimes on the streets and on the roads. Better, we should handle like Mrs. Jimmy. She made a space in my heart. She told me while sitting with me that two of the boys are very energetic, very active, and they are just very naughty and creating a mess all the time. In order to engage these boys, I have given them guitar to hold. It has a weight, and they are busy playing with the strings of that guitar. Now you see, the teacher is a great psychologist. She knew, rather even I think that mother cannot understand, but teacher understand. She knew how she can keep them busy with guitars so that they cannot exploit and they cannot become volatile. They will not break the discipline of choir as well as the student playing the song on the stage. She did so. So she is a role model, I think, for me too, that she took that stance. And same time, she is a principal of this institute. Same times I request you all teachers that please follow her. And I am requesting all the administrators from other institutions of Larkana, avoid to target students, avoid to beat them. Kindly help and reach students with love, empathy, compassion and sympathy. And second topic of today's gathering is depression. When the child becomes depressed from corporal punishment, from financial factor, from family negligence, he will lead to suicide. And again, when a youth dies, society dies. Because they are the leaders, they are the futures, they are the one who run the show of this country. So I am here already, Dr. Zulfikar Rahu Jo has cleared all the points, and I am standing in Larkana, so I will also prefer to speak in Sindhi a few lines now. मूंखे ॾाढी ख़ुशी आहे ऐं मां ॾाढो ख़ुशि आहियां त एतिरो बहितरीन अदा वहीद ही प्रोग्राम कयो आहे। इन जी महिनत खे हाणे तव्हां रायगा न कजो। असांजे विच में बेबी बागड़ी जहिड़ो किरदारु आहे। जे बेबी बागड़ी पढ़े न हा तंहिंमहिल हुनखे केरु न सुञाणे हा, न केरु हुनखे आनर ॾिए हा। जेकॾहिं हूअ पाण पढ़ी अॻियां वधी समाज में नालो इज़त कमायो, पढ़ण सां डिप्रेशन में न वई त मूंखे पैसा कोन्हनि, मां ग़रीब आहियां, मूंखे मोबाइल कोन्हे, मूंखे भलो घर कोन्हे, मां भला कपिड़ा नथी पाए सघां। मुंहिंजा बच्चा, तव्हांखे ज़िंदगीअ में सभु शयूं न मिलंदियूं आहिनि, पर तव्हां ॿुधो आहे जेको सिकंदर सॾराईंदो आहे उहो इन्हनि रोअण वारी हालतुनि मां जेको आहे खिली निकिरंदो आहे ऐं दुनिया उनखे एप्रिशिएट कंदी आहे। हर माण्हूअ खे गुरबत को एब तानो मिहणो कोन्हे। असां जंहिं सोसाइटी में रहूं था, हर माण्हूअ खे का न का मजबूरी आहे। जे तमामु घणा अमीर आहिनि त उन्हनि खे ॿारनि जे लाइ टाइम कोन्हे। ॿार खेॾी खेॾी मोबाइल, आईपैड, गैजेट्स, कंप्यूटर्स, ॿाहिरि वञनि था, उहे ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व थियनि था। पेरेंट्स खे पैसो त आहे पर टाइम कोन्हे, 10-10 ॾींहं कोई जो मुंहुं नथा ॾिसी सघनि। हाणे ड्रग्स अगेन असांजे इदारनि में इहे पहुचनि थियूं जो ॿारनि खे टाइम कोन्हे, हू खेॾनि था, पैसो घणो आहे, पोइ ॿाहिरि चौकीदार स्कूल जो आहे उनखां वठनि था, कैंटीन में जेको माण्हू कपाए थो खाधो उनखां वठनि था, ढाबनि होटलनि खां वठनि था। वॾनि शहरनि में इहा लानत तमामु घणो वधी रही आहे त ॿार वेप था पीअनि जेको ई सिगरेट आहे ऐं इहो ॾाढो हानिकारु आहे। उनखां अलावा ॿार चरस था पीअनि, ॿार आइस था पीअनि, मेथ, क्रिस्टल जहिड़े नशे में अची विया आहिनि। हाणे तव्हां वॾा आहियो, समझदार आहियो, मां तॾहिं तव्हांखे ॿुधायां थी त इहे सभु तव्हांजे लाइ हानिकारु आहिनि। जेकॾहिं तव्हां इहे ड्रग्स में ईंदव त तव्हां आइसोलेट थी वेंदव, फैमिली जी इज़त नामूस बि ख़तमु थी वेंदी ऐं मुआशरे में तव्हां बि ज़ीरो थी वेंदव ऐं ईअं ई कंहिं सड़क ते पिया ऐं मरी वेंदव। बेहतरीन चॉइस तव्हांखे उहा आहे त तव्हां प्रिविलेज ॿार आहियो उन सोसाइटी जा, उन फैमिली जा जंहिंखे तमामु घणियूं सहूलियतूं मुयसरु आहिनि। भलनि स्कूलनि में पढ़ो था, भलो खाओ था, भलो पायो था, भलो घुमो था। तव्हांखे डिप्रेशन न थियणु खपे, तव्हांखे बहादुर थियणु खपे। गुरबत मां तव्हांखे अमीर थियणो आहे, पंहिंजे ॻोठनि ते मोटणु खपे ऐं तव्हां उन्हनि में बि इहे शयूं प्रीच कयो त ड्रग्स खां ॿाहिरि निकिरो ऐं तव्हां पंहिंजी पर्सनैलिटी ग्रूमिंग ते फोकस कयो। ही जेका असांजी ड्राइव आहे इन में असांखे सिटी स्कूल, बीकन स्कूल ऐं सभई रीजनल डायरेक्टर्स तमामु घणी मदद कई आहे। मां उन्हनि जी तमामु घणी थोराइती आहियां, पर मां सम्झां थी त असां कामयाबु न थींदासीं जेसि ताईं तव्हां, मुंहिंजी धीअर, मुंहिंजा पुट मूंसां वाइदो न कंदव त तव्हां हिन लानत खां जेको सिगरेट पीअणु आहे, वेप आहे, चरस आहे, इन खां पाण खे परे न रखंदो। तव्हां वाइदो कयो तव्हां वाइदो कयो त तव्हां पंहिंजे उस्तादनि जी इज़त कंदो, पीउ माउ खे तंग न कंदो घरनि में, जो उहे तव्हां ते हथ खणनि, स्कूलनि में उस्ताद हथ खणनि, ऐं तव्हां कॾहिं बि ड्रग्स जी तरफ़ न वञिजो, छो जो असां हाणे कोढ़ा थी विया आहियूं। तव्हां मुंहिंजो पुटु तव्हांजी उमिरि जो आहे, मुंहिंजी धीउ तव्हांजी उमिरि जी आहे। मिसाल मां कोढ़ी थी वियसि, मूंखे केरु संभालींदो? मुंहिंजो औलाद संभालींदो न। असां ॿार छो ॼणींदा आहियूं? उन्हनि जे लाइ पंहिंजो निंडरूं फिटाए उन्हनि खे तरक़ी कराईंदा आहियूं, पढ़ाईंदा आहियूं, भला उहिदा ॻाल्हाईंदा आहियूं, ताकी हू असांखे कोढ़प में सहारो थियनि, मुआशिरे जो सहारो थियनि। तव्हांखे पीउ माउ जो सहारो थियणो आहे, ॻोठ वारनि जो सहारो थियणो आहे, पाड़े वारनि जो सहारो थियणो आहे, त हिकिड़ी सुठी सेहतमंद मुआशिरो असां तरतीब ॾेई सघूं, परवान चाढ़े सघूं। घणो वक़्तु न वठंदसि, जो तव्हां सभई ॿुधी थकिजी पिया हो, पर महिरबानी करे उस्तादनि जो क़दुरु कयो, पेरेंट्स जो क़दुरु कयो, मुआशिरे जा फ़ाल किरदार साबित थियो, मुल्क ऐं क़ौम जो नालो जेको आहे रोशन थियो। महिरबानी तमामु घणी। अलाह साईं हमेशह तव्हांखे ख़ुशि रखे, अलाह साईं तव्हांजा नसीब भला करे ऐं ग़लति रस्ते ते वञण खां तव्हांखे हमेशह रोके ऐं तव्हां तरक़ी कयो। ख़ूब आमीन सुम आमीन। पाकिस्तान ज़िंदाबाद।